it's really important to have events such as Breakthrough Innovation to raise the profile of early stage design in industry. Partly because a lot of companies don't realise that they might need this sort of support. They're so focused on developing a particular product or service and really trying to get that to market as fast as possible. And that really helps transfer those insights to companies and provide a light bulb moment thinking, I didn't realise I needed that particular solution, but now I can see that there's a way of approaching my challenge, my opportunity, and design is the thing that I didn't know I needed.
So supporting early stage design activity is crucial. It helps us to ensure that the companies that we're supporting really understand the problem that they're trying to solve and have developed the best possible solution to that. And by funding early stage design, we're actually de-risking our subsequent R&D investments, so increasing the return for the UK taxpayer.
It's about getting to grips with the right problem. It's not the problem, but the right problem. And so often that's the true discovery.
Even if it's the right problem, is it the right size problem? And trying to find that as well.
The early stage design for some of the projects completely transformed the concept right at the beginning before they kind of spent all their money on developing it. And it really analyses the perspective from so many different users.
Design is absolutely critical. There's nothing magic about a 3D printer. If you give it something very mediocre to produce, it will give you something mediocre back. And when it's more sophisticated, it's more purposeful, it's more valuable, and you're using it properly. So, design is indistinguishable, because design is collaboration, not just between a designer and a client, but, the designer and any number of other people that they know that they can select to bring into things. So, selection of your design individuals is really important.
I think events like this really give organisations a feeling of the movement in sort of design thinking and ways of engaging with designers where within sort of corporate organisations they otherwise would have their systems that usually get sort of implemented.
This is how we met all the people that we ended up collaborating with, and you just meet some people working on the most insane things like already in the first hour, so yeah, it's really helpful.
So having an event like this where there's lots of people interested in what we can do and what their business challenges are is really valuable.
I mean, it's amazing, the variety of different businesses who could really make real impact by using design is, I think, very fascinating.
It's been also impressive to see how much this design innovation call has transformed businesses.
So any SME can use human-centered design within their innovation process. It's really quite simple. KTN exists to help you do that, and taking the first step in doesn't have to be a scary approach. With a design consultancy, if you meet with us, we are more than happy to talk through what your needs are to best figure out how to approach human-centered design.